Hello guys, welcome back into my channel. Today I will explain to you what is exposition text. Let's check it out. First, definition of exposition text. Exposition is a type of text that is often discussed in English sentences. Exposition is a comprehensive description and explanation of an idea or theory. In other words, an exposition text is a text that has persuasive purpose or influence other people with the opinion of the reader. Usually, the exposition is in discussion, speech, debate, and others. There is two There are two kinds of exposition text. First, analytical exposition, and second, hortatory exposition. Let me explain first about analytical exposition. Okay, analytical exposition is a text that elaborates the writer's idea about the phenomenon. This text has a structure. First, thesis. Thesis content about introduce the topic and show speaker or writer's position, outline of the arguments to be presented. Second, arguments. It consists of a point and elaboration point. State the main argument. Elaboration is develops and supports each other point of arguments. And the last is conclusion. Reiteration or restatement restate speaker or writer position. And then next into the hortatory exposition. Hortatory exposition is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listener or reader that something should or should not happen or be done. The structure is thesis, the statement or announcement of issue concern, and then arguments, a reason for concern that will lead to recommendation, and then the last is the recommendation, statement of what should or shouldn't happen or be done based on the given arguments. And then the differences between analytical and hortatory exposition. Analytical exposition has function to persuade the reader or listener that there is something that certainly need to get attention and to analyze a topic and to persuade the reader that this opinion is correct and supported by arguments. Hortatory exposition to persuade the reader that something should or should not be the case or be done. The language features. Analytical exposition. 1. Focus on generic human and non-human participant. 2. Use mental process. It is used to state what writer or speaker thinks or feels about some things. For example, realize, feel, etc. 3. Needs material process. It is used to state what happened. For example, has polluted, etc. 4. Or use of simple present tense. 5. Use of relational process. 6. Use of internal conjunction to state argument. 7. Reasoning through causal conjunction or normalization. And then hortatory exposition has language feature like this. 1. Using simple present tense. 2. Using modals. And 3. Using action verbs. 4. Using thinking verbs. 5. Using adverbs. 6. Using adjective. 7. Using technical terms. 8. Using general and abstract noun. And 9. Using connective or transition. Here it is, the example of analytical exposition. We can see the title and then the thesis of the writer being supported by their argument and then closed by conclusion or reiteration. Here it is, the example of hortatory exposition. Yeah, it's same has title and then the thesis and supported by three arguments like this, and then the end we can see the recommendation. Thank you for your attention and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.